In this video, I'll show you a super simple way to remove the background from any image using Adobe Express. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Start by clicking on the 3 stars icon to open additional editing options. Select Remove Background to prepare for uploading your image. Click on the Add Image option to upload the photo you want to edit. Choose the image file from your device to bring it onto the canvas. Then Adobe Express will automatically process and clear the background. Finally, click Save to download your edited image in your chosen format. And that's it. You've successfully removed the background from your image using Adobe Express. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.